For a quick video on these convection heaters. This is in my garage, just installed it. I always have a shut-off valve in the garage. I have one outside too by the house. And we try to light this pilot light. Hold it down for a couple seconds. This one's got two igniters because it's propane and natural gas. You see how the flame isn't going all the way? Sometimes the flame, there we go. Let's see, she's dying out. Well, maybe not. See what happens. Anyways, we're going to show you how to quick clean it. This thing's having some issues. We already cleaned it once, but I had to change the line fittings. A little piece might got caught in there. So you really don't need anything. Special tools. This is the one we're worried about because we haven't used the propane side. This is the one that's getting the flame. I'm just going to screw it loose. Pull this out carefully. You don't want to bend it too much. It can take a little bend. And you can use your air gun. We're just going to use a can of air. They're $4 or $5 at the store. Blow it right through here, and you should just watch a piece of dust hopefully come out. We'll blow it backwards. I think there might be something in there. It shouldn't be that restricted. I think you saw some dust come through. So we blew that out. And just to make sure there's nothing in the propane line, we're just going to, or the gas line, press the gas button for a second, and that's it. And this is a flare, so you don't need to super tighten it down. Put it on nice and square. Always tighten these by hand first. And so you don't need to super tighten it down. It's a nice little snug fitting. This is probably 1/2 inch, I would think. Now we're going to light it up again and watch it go. Yeah, I think a piece of the plastic pipe got stuck in there, a little shaving. If I get this thing off. Hold on. Okay, now she's off. So we got her on pilot. And we're going to press the button. I don't know if you can see the flame a little bit better. The flame's actually going on by itself. The flame needs to be straight. And we leave it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Hopefully. You want to let it warm up for a second. One of the ones I got a scrapper. Nothing wrong with it. Just was clogged. Now I clogged it again. And we're going to turn it all the way to heat. And we turn it the wrong way. And we light it back up again. Okay, she lit within a second. Let's turn this back on. There she goes. And always check for gas leaks. That we don't because there's something to screw up. So, and you can see the flame. She's going nice. So there she is. Takes a couple seconds. And of course you got to take the cover off. Which the cover just 4 screws on the side. Ooh, it's nice and hot. And then 4 screws. And then we got this mounted. I had to make a custom out because I didn't have the original one. And it's 1/2 inch away from the wall. Actually, 1 inch away from the wall, which is perfect. And then we have a dog leg or drip leg. I don't know exactly what they call this. It should actually be a little longer. You want this to catch the dirt that's in the line. The big pieces, heavy pieces will get caught in there. You'll see water heaters and furnaces always had that. I just made a short one. So thank you for watching.